Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening Google Sheets. Click the plus blank or select a template. This immediately creates a spreadsheet. Name the file in the top left so collaborators see the context. Next, add column headers and a simple row of sample data to confirm formatting. Once done, adjust number formats and column width so entries look right. This prevents downstream confusion when you share access. Now you organize and protect content before sharing. Freeze header rows and use data validation to prevent input errors. That makes collaboration cleaner. Click Share and enter email addresses or groups, choosing Viewer, Commenter, or Editor based on needed access. Alternatively, set link access to Restricted or Anyone with Link, and then copy the link. Make sure to toggle the checkbox for notification emails if you want recipients alerted. This gives control over who can change data and when. Finally, send invites and confirm recipients can open and edit as intended. You should test the link in an incognito window or another account to verify permissions. That proves the share settings work. Use version history and comment threads to monitor changes and revert if necessary. If someone reports access problems, recheck folder-level permissions and remove inherited sharing that may override file-level settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.